You're not real. None of this is real.
I created this entire film using AI, and I didn't have to jump between 5 different tools. Everything was done in one powerful canvas with just an AI agent and a few prompts. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process of turning a simple idea into a complete film. Writing the script, generating key visual elements, creating the storyboard, and the final video, everything inside a single canvas with Lovart AI. Let's dive in. Lovart AI is an AI-powered creative workspace that combines multiple creative tasks into a single canvas. Instead of switching between separate tools for writing, design, image generation, and video planning, you work with an AI agent that helps you create everything in one place. Inside Lovart AI, you can create full brand materials, product videos, posters, and even a full AI film. And this platform is powered by the most powerful generative models: GPT Image, Nano Banana, Seedance 2.0, Kling 3, and more. And at the end of the month, you'll be able to access the most powerful Seedance 2.5 model inside Lovart AI. Okay, enough talk. Let's create our film. So this is the Lovart homepage. I will put the link in the description. Just click on it and create an account. Once you are logged in, you will find the prompt box in the center. Here, you can enter your idea, select a template, and create your content. Under the prompt box, these are some of my previous projects. I already made a video on how you can create a complete brand with Lovart. You can watch the video from the I button. And at the bottom, you will find some featured content created by Lovart. You can take inspiration from here. However, I want to create a film from scratch. So, I am creating a new project. Alright, this is the Lovart canvas where we will create all the content. On the left side, you will find the agent. The agent will do all the tasks for us. Let's start. Come to the text box and enter your idea. I am typing. I want to create a 2-minute short drama with this idea. After that, I am entering the film idea, the genre, logline, storyline, and other information. After that, I will type, "Now, can you please give me the screenplay for this short drama?" And then hit the send button. Now the agent will analyze the inquiry and then write the full screenplay for us. And here it is. The screenplay is ready. Now you have to preview it carefully. If you want to customize anything, you ask the agent to do it. Okay, the script is ready. Now, we will extract all the key elements from the screenplay. And to do that, I will use a master prompt. Don't worry, I already prepared the master prompt. You will find it in the description. In this document, you will find all the master prompts for an AI filmmaking workflow. The first one is to write the screenplay. We don't need it. The second one is to extract the key elements and generate the prompts for them. We have to use the second one. Just copy the prompt and then paste it into the Lovart agent text box, and then hit the send button. Now the agent will analyze the screenplay and the master prompt. Once done, it will extract all the characters, locations, and props for our short drama. After that, it will create a detailed prompt for every element. And here it is. All the prompts are ready. You can see the result. Every prompt is very rich and detailed. Now we have to generate the images. Now to create the element images, I will type, "Now can you please create all the key element images?" Now, if you already have the character image, you can attach it from here. You can switch to image or video generation from here. I will go with agent mode. Now, if you want to set your generation model, you can do it from here. You will find all the powerful image, video, and 3D generation models here. I am selecting the GPT Image 2 Auto model to create all the images. Once everything is set, hit the send button. Now the agent will add image nodes to the canvas and start creating an image using the GPT Image 2 model. First, it's creating the character images. Once the character images are ready, it will start creating the location images. And when the location images are ready, it will create all the prop images. And here it is. All the images are ready. This is a character image. You can see the main character, full body front view, back view, side view, close-up, expression, and even materials for the characters. This is a perfect character sheet. It will help us to keep the character consistent from every camera angle and location. All the characters are the same. Next, as for the location, it creates multiple views of the location so that it remains consistent in every single shot and angle. It even creates floor plans, which one is needed. This is amazing. As for the props, it creates multiple views, close-ups, and a materials description for the props. So we just now created the highest quality key element images for reference. However, if you find any issues, you can always fix it. You will find multiple options to edit an image. You can quickly edit any image, upscale the image, remove the background, erase any object from the image, and edit elements. Edit text, create multi-angle images, move any object, and much more. I already covered all of these in my previous video, so I won't share the details. Since I found all the key elements to be perfect, I won't make any changes from here on if you encounter any issues. You can fix them. Alright, all the key elements are ready. Now I will create the storyboard for every scene. And to write all the storyboard prompts, I will use the next master prompt from the doc file. Just copy the second prompt and come back to Lovart. Ask to create the storyboard prompt and then enter the master prompt. Now, the agent will analyze the screenplay and key elements and then break the screenplay down into scenes. Once done, it will write detailed prompts for every scene. And here it is. All the prompts are ready. All of our very detailed prompts. Okay, as the prompt is ready, I will ask the agent to create all the storyboard images. Now, the agent will add new image nodes and then start generating all the storyboard images. It will generate all the images in parallel mode, so we don't have to waste time on every single generation. And here it is. All the storyboard images are ready, and you can see the result. This is the first storyboard. It creates a 9-grid storyboard for the first scene. Under every shot, you can see the camera work, duration, prompt, and every detail. This is a perfect storyboard. Looks like a professional film crew team creates this. Not only the first scene, it creates perfect storyboard for every scene. I like it very much. Now preview all of them, and if you need customization, you can do it. Once done, we will move forward to the next step, the video clip generation. First, I will create the video prompt. So I will copy the video generation master prompt from the doc file, enter it in the prompt box, and hit the send button. Now, the agent will create the scene-by-scene video prompts for us. And here it is. All the prompts are ready. So I will move forward to the video generation. Now, we can ask to generate all the video clips at once. However, let's try scene 1. I am asking to generate scene 1. You can select the video generation model from here. Now hit the send button to generate the video. The video is generating. Oh, there is an error. Seedance 2.0 failed to generate the video as it contains real human faces. To solve this issue, we have to add all the characters to the Seedance 2.0 assets library. Let's ask the agent to do that. And here it is. The agent can't do it automatically, so we have to do it manually. Add a video generation node from here. Now at the top of the prompt box, you will find the option to upload the assets. Now I will save all the character assets to the device. Once all the character assets are saved, come to the Seedance asset library. Now upload all the images. Once all the images are uploaded and verified, come to the agent text box and ask to regenerate scene 1. The video is generating, and here it is. The video clips are ready.
Emma Carter? You have inherited Blackwood Villa. The terms requires you to reside there for a period of 30 days.
And look at this. This is a perfect scene. Okay, now I will create all the other scenes. This time, I will ask to generate all the video clips at once. And you can see that all the video clips are generating. It will take some time, so I will fast forward the video. And here it is. All the video clips are ready. And after a quick review, I can say that all of this is perfect. However, if you find any issues, you can always edit the video. Okay, as all the video clips are ready, now it's time to stitch them and make the final short drama. I am asking the AI to do it. The AI will edit the video. And here it is. The final video is ready. Let's have a look at it.
You have inherited Blackwood Villa. The terms requires you to reside there for a period of 30 days.
Story.
Found dead this morning is the Tamara Vikage bin Harosan.
You're not real. None of this is real.
This is amazing. So we just created this amazing horror short drama only from an idea. And now, using this method, you can create your own drama or film. Not only a film, but you can also create product videos, commercials, brand material, posters, and many more. Everything under one platform and powered by the most powerful AI models. So why not give it a try? I'll put the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, a like really helps this reach more people, and subscribe if you want more content like this. Okay, that's it from me. Go make something. I'll see you in the next one.